Never married? Co-parenting after a breakup is possible. Whitney Thompson. Co-parenting after a breakup is similar to co-parenting after a divorce. Although you have to go through fewer legal proceedings, there are still legal documents you should take the time to prepare. Even if you were never married to your former partner, it is still wise to get a legal custody agreement and parenting schedule in place. Here are a few tips from a licensed attorney about co-parenting after a breakup, amicable or otherwise. What decisions do you need to make? When co-parenting after a breakup, you will need to make formal arrangements for your child's well-being. Here are the most important questions you need to agree on. How will each parent communicate with and access their children? Will you have equal joint custody, or will one parent have primary custody? How will each parent access critical records, such as medical information? What decisions does each parent have the authority to make surrounding their children? How will your children divide time between each parent? Consulting with a lawyer can help you prepare for all of these questions. By establishing a custody and parenting schedule, you can legally establish how you will proceed to co-parent with your ex-partner. How do you begin co-parenting after a breakup? Number 1. Establish custody arrangements. The first question you need to tackle surrounds custody. You should make an effort to set up your custody schedule in a way that keeps your children's lives as normal as possible. Try to maintain their regular schedules and day-to-day lives. Number 2. Set boundaries. Set clear boundaries with your ex-partner, especially in the beginning. You may want to limit conversation topics to only those surrounding your children. Some find it beneficial to treat their co-parenting relationship as a business arrangement and speak as though they were a business partner. Number 3. Communicate as a team. Try to keep your heated arguments away from your children's curious eyes and ears. While it may be difficult, it is important to stay neutral and work through disagreements in a level-headed way. For difficult conversations, you may want to plan a meeting in advance. Number 4. Put your child's emotional well-being first. Some may harbor resentment, anger, or hurt toward their former partner, especially if a breakup was less than friendly. Be sure not to express contempt toward an ex in front of your children. Those negative remarks are not only upsetting, but they can affect a child's self-worth and make them feel guilty. Number 5. Acquire legally binding custody documents. When two parents are unmarried, it is automatically assumed that the mother has sole custody over the children. However, it is highly important for both parents to be in a child's life. If a co-parent needs to establish paternity, you will need to send in a court order and create a legal custody arrangement. Plan for your children's well-being. Deciding on a parenting schedule and custody agreement now can save you and your children lots of confusion and disagreement in the long run. Not only will you know what to expect, so will your kids. Creating certainty amidst an uncertain situation can help to ease their anxiety about the future. Need help co-parenting after a breakup? Call Whitney Thompson, Esquire, at 979-318-5079 today.